Hey everybody, this is a tutorial on how you could download Microsoft Teams and how you could add and join a new group. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open, not YouTube, you want to open Google, and in Google you are going to search Microsoft Teams download. So Microsoft Teams download will come up. Usually the second or third one will ask you to download Microsoft Teams on any device. It'll bring you up to this screen. I just want to let you know Microsoft Teams can be added on any Android or Apple device. So I did download it onto my iPhone just in case things that were glitchy on my laptop. But you're going to click this button. It's going to download it. I'm not going to do it because I already have Microsoft Teams downloaded. So once you download it, it's going to open it. You may or may not have to sign in. I forget if I had to, but you're just going to sign in with your regular school login. So say you come on the next day and you closed out Microsoft Teams and you want to go on to it again. You don't need to go through the same process. What you're going to do is down here in your search bar, you're going to type in Microsoft Teams. And I've been on it so frequently that it'll just say right here, Microsoft Teams. You're going to click on it and it will open up your Microsoft Teams dashboard. So here's your dashboard. You can see that I have 3 different teams. And what you're going to do is you're going to click up here, join or create team. Now you're going to join a team. A teacher should have given you a code. On my email, you'll have the code for whatever class you are in, and you're going to enter that code. Then when you come back over here, when you go back to Teams, it'll have all 3 there. So if you're in geometry, it's going to look something like this. And then if you're in consumer math, it'll look something like this. They look pretty much identical. I do want to talk about that when you are going into class on Monday at whatever time you're scheduled, up here in the upper right hand area of this program, it should say meeting now, join now, and you're just going to click join now. What it will do is it will bring up a screen that asks if you want to have your video on. It doesn't matter, you can have your video on or your video off, but I do ask that you turn your audio off until we start the class meeting or the check-in. I will say, okay, you know, we could unmute our mics and respond to this question or whatever we're going to do. Sometimes when everybody's mics are on, you can't hear what I'm saying. So just be courteous that if you have something going on in the background, you just mute your mic. So I hope that helped, and I hope you can get into the Teams. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. All right, thanks.